How to use Microsoft Remote Desktop on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, first of all, open up your App Store and download it. You can find it on App Store quite easily, and after that you have to open it up. After opening it up, open up the preferences on it, and over there go to user accounts. There click on the plus icon at the bottom, and after that enter your username and password and add that particular user account. Now you need to select the option of gateway, and under the gateway click on the plus icon and enter the details according to your needs and preferences and add it as well. Then get back, and on the home screen of this app you would be able to find the option of adding the PC, where you would have to add your PC, and after that enter all the details and add that PC as well. Now simply select your PC and open it up, and this way you would be able to use it. And this is how you would be able to use this app. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.